Hi friends! Today we're going to be learning all about butterflies. Thanks for tuning in.
We will learn how to make a butterfly craft out of clear plastic. For this craft, you will need one pipe cleaner, a few permanent markers, some kind of clear plastic, a pair of scissors, 3 beads, and an image of a butterfly. The first thing we need to do for our craft is trace an image of a butterfly with a permanent marker. Make sure you go over all of the lines so that you will see all the details of your butterfly. Next comes my favorite part. You get to color in your butterfly using some of your favorite colors. I chose to use green, blue, brown, and black for my butterfly, but you can use whatever you want. Here I am filling in all the details of my butterfly. Isn't it interesting that butterflies actually have 4 wings? I used to think it was just 2. And did you know butterflies have taste receptors on their feet? Next, you're going to cut out your butterfly from your clear plastic. I'll be honest with y'all, I tried this with a plastic water bottle and the water bottle was too stiff to cut. So don't worry if you're having a hard time with that. It's great to practice your cutting skills, but if this is too tricky for you, you could definitely have an adult help you out with this step. Isn't it interesting that the wingspan, meaning the distance from the edge of one wing to the edge of the other, can range from 1 inch to 11 inches? Ooh, I'm liking how this is turning out. Next, you'll fold a pipe cleaner in half and string 3 beads onto the pipe cleaner for the head, thorax, and abdomen of your butterfly. After we string our beads onto the pipe cleaner, we will attach this to our butterfly. Pinch it down the middle and twist. The remaining pipe cleaner will be used as the antennae for your butterfly, and you can trim them a bit if they look too long to you. I decided to curve mine a bit too. Butterfly antennae are used for balance and for detecting smells and wind speed. Your beautiful butterfly craft is finished, but I decided I wanted to add a string to mine so I could try out a couple different activities. The first activity is to use your butterfly as a beautiful outdoor or indoor decoration. I decided to tie mine outside. I also tried using it as a little toy for my pets. Another idea I had was to use it as a little kite in my garden. We owe a big thank you to butterflies because they help us out with pollination, just like bees do. Pollination is the mixing of pollen from different plants. So a butterfly lands on a flower and sticks its long proboscis into the flower to get to the nectar. As it is collecting nectar, pollen attaches to the proboscis. Then the butterfly flies to another flower, spreading the pollen along its journey.
Thanks for trying out that project with me. See you next week.
Don't forget to tune in tomorrow for Fun Friday with Kelsey.